In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Bose discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Bose discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes. For example, if I want to get this promo code with 30% of discount, all I have to do is select your coupon code from right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and I can apply this promo code on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website called voucher codes, and right here we'll have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount to your order that is over £200, all you have to do is select that code. So right here, this is a discount code. You can copy this promo code and you can apply it on the next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.